Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding Bootstrap CSS and the JS bundle so grid utilities work. Create a container or container fluid as your grid root, then insert a row element. Once done, place column elements directly inside that row using call asterisk, choosing breakpoints like SM or MD. You do this so columns align and wrap predictably. Make sure column classes are on the immediate children of row. This establishes gutters and responsive behavior before you move to column sizing. Now you map out widths. Assign numeric classes so each row sums to 12, for example. Column D6 and column D6. You can mix flexible, call with fixed. Call for to let some items grow while others stay fixed. If you need complex blocks, nest anew. Row inside a column and treat nested columns the same way. Also use order asterisk, offset asterisk, and breakpoint-specific classes to rearrange columns on different screens. This keeps the layout logical and responsive as viewport sizes change. To finish, align and fine-tune. Use align items asterisk for vertical alignment and justify content asterisk for horizontal spacing. Test the page across breakpoints and tweak classes until columns behave as expected. Make sure no extra wrappers interrupt the row call structure because that breaks gutters and alignment. If things go wrong, inspect gutter settings and verify you used container or container fluid intentionally. One key troubleshooting tip. If spacing looks off, remove misplaced elements.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.